In this video, I'll show you how to download ElevenLabs audio, where to find your generated files, and how to export them in the format you want. The easiest way to download audio in ElevenLabs is through your history. ElevenLabs Help Center says that after generating audio, you can open text-to-speech in the sidebar, and then go to the History tab on the right side of the screen. On narrower screens, ElevenLabs says the History tab may appear as a separate history icon above the Generate Speech button. Once you're in History, find the audio clip you want and click the download icon. ElevenLabs says this gives you the option to download the file as either MP3 or WAV. That's the standard method for downloading a generated voice file from the web interface. If you want more export options, there's also an advanced option. ElevenLabs says Advanced lets you access extra file formats, including M4A and FLAC, in addition to the normal MP3 and WAV choices. So if you need a different format for editing, publishing, or archiving, check that menu before downloading. Another useful thing to know is that you can still download files you created earlier. ElevenLabs says generated files stay available in your history, so you can go back later and download past audio again instead of regenerating it from scratch. That's especially helpful if you made multiple takes and want to compare them later. If you're using Studio, the flow is a little different. ElevenLabs' support article says Studio downloads do not work the same way as regular speech synthesis, so if you don't see the usual history-style download method there, but that's because Studio uses a separate export flow. And if you're downloading audio through the API, ElevenLabs' API docs say you can retrieve generated audio from history items, and they also note that output format options can depend on your subscription tier. For example, some higher quality WAV and PCM export options require higher plans. A good workflow is this: generate your audio, open History, click the download icon, choose MP3 or WAV, and use Advanced if you need formats like FLAC or M4A. That's the fastest way to save your ElevenLabs audio for video editing, podcasts, voiceovers, or content publishing. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.